Hello everyone, myself Shivam Gore, and today daily task topic is cell. To firstly discuss the define of cell. It is defined as the cell is the basic structure and functional unit of life, and it is the fundamental unit of life. Cell is firstly discovered by the Robert Hooke in Cork, and AV and AV Leeuwenhoek is firstly observed the live cell, and cell there are about 200 different types of cells in our body, and the cells are produces in the cell division, and and cell is divided into two types: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, for example, algae, bacteria, and eukaryotic cells are present in animals and plants. Of cells, there are the following the organelles. The first one is first cell membrane, lysosomes, cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes. They are the cell organelles. And firstly, to discuss the cell membrane. Cell membrane. First one is through cell membrane. Cell membrane, it is the protective covering of the cell. Cell membrane is the protective covering of cell, and it consists of three parts. It consists of three parts: protein, lipid, and carbohydrates. The protein, and there are the percentage of protein is 55, and lipid is 45, and carbohydrates are 5%. Second one is the nucleus. Nucleus is the largest organelles. It is the controller of cell. It is also known as the controller of cell, and it is consist of the nuclear membrane, and it is firstly discovered by the Robert Brown, and to discuss the function of cell. Now, it helps in protein synthesis. It helps to the synthesis of RNA, and it helps in the cell division. They are the functions of nucleus. To discuss the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, it is discovered by the Camillo Golgi in 1898. It helps in the processing and packing of the protein, which is the endoplasmic reticulum. And fourth one, to discuss the ribosome. Next one is to discuss the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is the network membrane inside the cells, and there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. First one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and second one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Firstly, to discuss the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are attached on the outer surface of endoplasmic reticulum, and it is the synthesis of protein. And rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are attached in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Second one is the second one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosome molecules do not attach in the outer surface of endoplasmic reticulum. They are do not it is the synthesis of non-protein like cholesterol. To discuss the second last one is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is discovered by the Albert von Koechler in 75, and the mitochondria, it is also known as the powerhouse of the cell, and powerhouse of the cell, because they produce the ATP. They produce the ATP by oxidation, by oxidation of the protein, lipid and carbohydrate. To discuss the last one is the lysosomes. Lysosomes consist of the lysozymes. It is also known as the hydrolytic enzymes, and it is also known as the suicidal bag of cell. Thanks for listening my lecture. Thank you.